Yes, I have been missing for a couple months, but I'm back. I had to recuperate from the holidays and also from cold weather ailments like arthritis in my hands, and I'm feeling much better. And I thank you all for your patience and of course your continued support. Today I am going to do two very simple DIYs. It's like keeping my DIYs very simple and easy. And I will be using items from Dollar Tree, and the items only cost me $5, and I will show you what they are. I purchased these three lovely flowers, and I think three will be enough for my project. I guess sponge balls. And also I purchased this egg container. You can put little jelly beans, little Easter eggs, but I think I want to make a little trinket box. Well, I still could use it as a candy box or whatever. And this is called a flower kissing ball. I don't know why they call it kissing. I guess they put it over your head and you kiss the person. But anyways, this is so pretty, and I purchased this a while ago, but I want to make this into this, and by using the little items I showed you. And all I'm going to use is a hot glue gun, keeping it simple. And now let me get started. I have to go back to get more pink flowers. I hope I can find these type. They're so pretty. If not, I'll just work with what I have. So far so good, very pretty. Cut this piece off, the stem off again. Let's see what this one goes on there. Okay. Oops, sorry about that. Keep it very simple. I'm going to put these in there. Stem off again to make it so I could. So I make sure you cut this piece of the stem off as well so it can stick to the ball. And I think I might have to go back and get more flowers. You will need 3 sets of flowers for this flower ball and 1 sponge, and you are all set. I will have to go back and get more for this one. You can hang it or you can display it on your cabinet, coffee table, or table. And the next item that I will be DIYing is this egg container from the Dollar Tree. I am going to make it very glam, and I will use it probably as a trinket box, or you can use it as a candy dish. So, and all the items I'm going to use to DIY this container are these beautiful butterfly gems I purchased from the Dollar Tree. And these gems I purchased from Amazon. I might use some of these. Aren't they beautiful? Actually, I don't need to hot glue these items. All I have to do is stick them on the container, and that's it. All I have to do is stick on the container. So I'm going to start with these beautiful decal stickers, butterflies. They're so pretty. Let's see if I can. Oops. Alright, we'll do is try to put this in the center of this container. How pretty is that? So far, it's so pretty. Isn't it gorgeous? All you have to do is just stick it on the top. And now let's see what else I will use. I'm going to probably use some of these gems. Aren't they beautiful? Little diamond shape gems. And I will stick some on. Let's see what that turns out. In fact, I don't like the way that looks. Stick that like that. Like keeping them very simple and easy. Let's see what else on this side. I'm gonna use, try to cord. And they have very strong adhesive on the backing of these stickers. And I'm going to add more to it. I will probably use this butterfly part. Let's see. Oops, sorry about that. I probably would cut this one up to add this stuff really sticks well. Take some of these off. And I'm cutting this apart so I can design it. Oops, sticky. It's very strong adhesive on these items. Ooh, it's very sticky. Oops. I use the butterflies on the top of the container. The second butterfly, I cut it up and added a piece in the back and a piece in the front. And I added some gemstones around the bottom, and I add half of the butterfly in the front and half of the second butterfly in the back. Oops. And right now I'm still working on her. I think I'm going to add some more gems on her to really glam her up. Really glam her up. She's glam, but I want to extra glam her. But she turned out to look so beautiful, isn't she? Very beautiful DIY. Very simple DIY. I keep mine very simple. And all these items you see, the sponge ball, all the flowers, Dollar Tree. This was a total of $4. And again, this $2. Actually $3. I take that back because I purchased these little gems. And also I purchased the glue sticks from the Dollar Tree. I purchased those a while ago. And I think it turned out very beautiful. And these beautiful gems I purchased from Amazon, and they were like $5 for 120 gems. And they are very adhesive. They stick very well. And they are very pretty. They are pink and lavender colors. And those are the colors I will be using for my spring decor and spring home tour. Lavender and some pink. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And I will see you guys next time. And thank you for your patience. And thank you for your support. And I hope you guys have a very blessed day. And stay safe. Thank you for watching. And many blessings.